Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your payment method was declined issue on your Apple device. So guys, if you're also facing this issue, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all open settings in your device and then you have to scroll it below and tap on general. And then tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version. So guys, do this and after this go back and now open your profile and now tap on payment and shipping and wait here for some seconds. So guys, from here you have to simply remove your payment method for one time. So guys, do this and after this go back. And now you have to scroll it below and sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time. So guys, simply tap on sign out button and sign out your Apple ID from your device for one time. And after this restart your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and after this you have to open your profile again and sign in your Apple ID and then go to payment and shipping. And then you have to simply set up your payment method again. So guys, simply set up your payment method again correctly and then you have to make it sure that you have entered the correct region as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to open any browser and search here for support.apple.com. So guys, here is the Apple support. You have to simply open support.apple.com and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue. So guys, hopefully the Apple team will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.